There are still buyers out there right now who are able to pay today's high home prices and interest rates. Most want a home that's move-in ready. So, if your house looks outdated or needs some work, buyers probably aren't going to be very interested. And there are a lot of homes that need upgrades right now. As you can see, millions are entering their prime remodeling years. That's homes, meaning they're between 20 and 39 years old, and maybe yours is one of them. If it is, consider making select updates to help it sell faster, but before you do, give me a call, because not all home improvements are worth the cost. I know what buyers in our area are looking for and can guide you on what to fix up. Let's work together to get your house in good condition and get it sold. One of the reasons that buyers are not looking to purchase a home that needs work is because the interest rates are high and it's expensive to get into a home. So if they're putting all of their money into the home and now they need to update the home as well, it makes it much more difficult for them to budget with today's high interest rates and everything else, with all of the costs going so high with inflation. Milk is through the roof. So consider doing updates to the home. It makes the home sell faster and it will sell for top dollar. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm always here and happy to help. Hope you're having a good day. Take care.